right, we just finished a fun trail run, and here I am with my buddy's 392 Jeep and Thor's Lightning. So all 4 tires are hooked up, and we're using the vault. And I like that the cable's longer, so obviously the vault can sit on the ground with a little bit of extra room. Now here's the thing, he just got this, is just using it today, and you need batteries. The batteries go in the back right there, 2 AAAs. So because he has no batteries, I'm like, dude, we can just put it on for 4 minutes and maybe it works. But he remembered that he has on-air, or you know, the gauge inside the vehicle, so it shows us how much air the tires have. So we started at 15. We are at 19, 20. So you see it's going up pretty quick. Yeah, and I can just watch it here. So we're 15, right as I started the video, he had just pressed that button. So 15, and it's obviously spreading the air all around evenly to all 4 tires. How cool is that? One just popped up to 22. I guess the sensors are a little delayed, so we're going to see it maybe jump by a couple PSIs here on each tire here soon. I'm guessing this is going to be about 4 minutes, 5 minutes tops to go from 15 to 32 on some 37s. Let's come back here in a sec. Yeah, these are BFG KM3 37-inch tires. All right, so that's how easy it is. Rest of my friends are doing 1 tire at a time. Look at this sick FJ40. He's got ARB lockers, so he's got the can on underneath the passenger seat, but 1 tire at a time. So it's going to take a little longer, or I should say a lot longer than this system. And what's cool about this is you can bring it vehicle to vehicle. You know, if you have other sand rail, you got a dune buggy, you got whatever, you can bring it car to car. But you know, get your battery so you can monitor it here. This is Thor's Lightning, by the way, and that's the vault, the case. You could also get their new total control, which you actually set it and forget it. You put in that you want it at 32 and you can walk away, and it will it'll stop when the time comes. So I think we're at about 3 minutes since the beginning of this video. Let me check where it's at. Yep, so right between 4. I bet you we'll be at 4 to 5 minutes and we'll be at 32, which is where he wants to put these 37s. Almost there. But how easy is that? At the end of the day, you know, we want to go grab a bite, we want to go chill. Who wants to sit here for 30 minutes filling up tires? So look how fast that's going. All at 30.
At 32, I want to stop it.
Stop it, just give me the word, I'll stop it up front at 32. Now total control, you wouldn't have to do that. You could just, it'll stop itself. But here, we have to stop it. There's a couple of the rigs that came out today. So he's got a 2-hose system, which is pretty cool. But with 4, we're obviously done a lot faster. And especially with those air chucks that go on each valve of the tire, it takes seconds to load it up and get it going. You should be at 32. Yeah. Okay. Voila. Done. Without that, but not all cars will have an onboard, you know, telling you your PSIs in all the tires. What we do is unplug them, roll them up, throw them in the back, and I guess we'll go to the restaurant first and get in line for seating while my friends will show up 20-30 minutes from now. All right, there's like what, 5% off. There's rarely sales on this, so 5% off, which would be above any sale if you have happened to see this Black Friday or something. But there's a link below. Go to Thor's Lightning, and I got my code in the description. Get yours today. It's awesome. All right, happy trails.